When a member of the Rocky Mountain Home Association helps you choose a new, factory-built, manufactured, or modular home for you and your family, one thing is certain: the options are limitless. New homebuyers in Colorado are able to customize their new home with luxury upgrades and options that fit their lifestyle and budget. From barn-style bathroom doors to luxury kitchens, all options are available. And it doesn't stop there. Jetted bathtubs, stone fireplaces, tile showers, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. The list of upgrades is as long as your imagination. And because your new manufactured or modular home will be constructed in an environmentally controlled manufacturing facility, these upgrades and options are available at a price point that's very affordable. Upgrade your life today with a new, totally customized, manufactured or modular home